author of The Cosmic Adventures of Astrid and Stella, and today we're reading Wow, Wow, Meow! You're the cat's pajamas! Here we are, in the great beyond, outer space. Isn't it amazing? Are we there yet? How about we play Space Race? No. Read comic books? No. And our first cosmic mission? No, 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 with a double tapping of no. You don't want to do anything. Meow, 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 meow. Bobo, what's that? A distress signal from Cattern, sir. Cattern? The legendary planet of space cats? Top secret cat cam. Yes, we have been monitoring it on our secret cat cam. Wow, we have a cat cam? Correct. Ooh, check it out. Catcam 2000. Meow, 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 meow. Kitty Wonkus has taken control. Kitty Wonkus, the notorious CAT. Wanted, danger, alert. Kitty Wonkus, notorious CAT. Wanted for scratching, biting, hoarding toys and kibble, fly-by parts, mind control. But he looks so cute. Cute but evil. He has us under his spell. Our once playful planet is now in a deep cat nap. Boy, I hate naps. Exactly. We cats don't mind naps, but we also like to chase mice, scratch our backs, lick our butts. Ew. Yeah. And while we sleep, he's been hoarding all our toys and kibble. Okay, we are on it. Bobo, fire up the turbo pumps. Roger that, good buddy. Activate the jet thrusters. Input accepted. Blast off! Cattern, next exit. Welcome to Cattern, the cutest planet in the galaxy. We made it, phew! Now, how are we going to defeat Kitty Wonkus? Bobo, any ideas? My internet cat scan says cats hate 5 things. 1, dirty litter boxes. 2, rotten food. 3, aggressive petting. 4, loud noises. Like this? Or this? Or this? Or this? And 5, getting wet. Don't even think about it. If you get me wet, I will short circuit and be unable to fix your fart detector. Good point. Fart detected. Air quality reading, beans. Let's use our jumbo hose to blast Kitty Wonkus into space. Yes! Bobo, how long is our jumbo hose? 50 bottometers. How much water do we have? 10,000 gooberons. Perfect! Let's give this cat a big, huge mega bath. Which way do we go? Easy. Follow the trail of sleeping kitties. Kitty Wonkus Inc. Kibble Collector 2000. Careful, those kitties are dangerously cute. Danger checklist. Check big eyes. Check cute noses. Check soft purring. Check fluffy tummies. Check tiny nibbles. Check leg rubs. Check tickly tails. Check small paws. Check toe beans. Let's go for it. Perfect. Bobo, did you just make a joke? Ready. Mew can do it. Oh, so cute. Coochie coochie coo. Feeling good. I'm so sleepy. How about a nap? Wait, Stella, you hate naps. Oh no, Kitty Wonkus is putting us under his spell. We must stick to our plan. Bobo, how much further? My cat scan says Kitty Wonkus' headquarters is up ahead in 300 bog farts. Welcome to the Scratching Post. All you can eat kibble 24/7. May I help you? We're here to see Kitty Wonkus. Check the grooming salon. Feline pretty salon. Kitty Wonkus, my dear, you look fabulous. Thank you, Licken. May I help you? We're friends of Kitty Wonkus and just wanted to wave hello. Come in. The tide has turned, Kitty Wonkus. Splash down. Oh, this is just hysterical. Break the spell, Kitty Wonkus, or there's more where that came from. You will be eating mushy, rotten kibble for the rest of your life. Your litter box will be dirty. And Bobo here will pet you too hard with his Bobot claw against the grain. No! Okay, I'll break the spell. Abracadabra! There, it's done. Huzzah! Oh, so cute! Let's stay and play all day! Lunchtime lingers. Right. Farewell, friends. We'll never forget you. To the friendship. Or should we say friendship? Blast off. We did it! We're superstars! I heart cats. I'm bored. Are we there yet? How about some celebratory ice cream? Yes, with extra, yes!